Hi, welcome back to my workshop. Enjoy my morning coffee and a little discussion and a little video about my Wolfbox. This is what I call my Wolfbox. A couple of years ago we had on one of my woodworking forums that I like to frequent, familywoodworking.org. If you want to sign up for that, I'll leave a link in the bottom, and you can take a look at that. Also in the links below, I will add some information about things that I did and materials that I used, cutters, and just maybe a little bit about feeds and speeds. I'll try to include that in my video. But a couple of years ago, 2015, the Family Woodworking Forum had a swap build. So the way that worked is you would build something in your shop and agree to swap for something else that somebody else built in their shop. So it was a swap, that's what it does. And you post about your progress about the build, and eventually in the end you get teamed up with somebody because you don't know who you're going to be swapping with or what you're swapping for. But I decided to build this box that I've been wanting to build for quite a while. It's a box that on my Vectric forum, I use Vectric Aspire software, which is what you can see a little bit on the screen here, to design and build. But one of the members, I believe it was Michael Tyler, that designed this box. It's called a Paradise box, and a lot of people have built their own variations of the Paradise box. But if you want more information about that box, I will also include that in the links below. A link to the Vectric software website, and also it's a free project that you can download if you have Vectric, and I believe you might need Aspire for this project, but you can download it. It's a free project and you can build it. What I did was I built it, but I customized it and built it to my design. The shape and size of the box is all the same as the Paradise box, but I added the Wolfbox features to it. So the way that I designed the box myself was with the Wolfbox, and that's what I decided to build for the swap. Also on this box, what I wanted to try to do was I didn't want to just leave it with a natural finish color. Some people are purists and they like that. I like that also, but I wanted to try some different fading and glazing, some glazes and fading out from the inside to the outside, so that the colorations got darker as we went out and lighter in the middle. I also have some text in here, and there's a few things in here that I included, and I'll try to cover that. This is the Wolfbox. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe, and please, if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. I do read the comments, and I do my best to answer the comments. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, enjoy the video, and without further ado,